Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your Badoo profile. Profile verification is important because it confirms your identity, increases your account's trustworthiness and helps you connect with real people safely. And make sure the Badoo app is installed on your phone, and after that you can tap the Badoo icon to open it, and make sure you log into your account if you have not already so. And after that you need to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and over here you need to select your profile. So when you select your profile, we could see there's an option for your photos, there's a Facebook Connect and camera. What you have to do is you need to tap on the camera and you need to place your face over here and you need to click a photo. And after that, you can verify your profile. Badoo will guide you to take a selfie following a specific pose. Make sure your face is clearly visible, well lit and matches your profile photos. And some verification steps may also ask you to upload a photo holding a gesture to confirm authenticity. And after taking the photo, you can tap to submit and Badoo will review your verification request, usually within a few minutes or hours. And once approved, your profile will show a verification badge, making it more trustworthy. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble verifying your profile, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.